guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Vinyl TV. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this gear. This is Canon Pixma TR4650. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multi-task. It's 4-in-1 in the sense you can copy, scan, print and fax from this gear. What we're going to do is give you an overview of this printer, then to show you how to scan a document. Okay, with this printer we're going to scan a document, send this document to your mobile device or print it out. Okay, so before we do that, to start at the back here, the power cable for this printer goes right here. Okay, this is the power cable. 3-pin power cable is included in the packaging, and from right here the USB cable goes right here. USB cable is not included in the packaging. We have this at Vinyl Tech Store, free delivery. This printer is dual band. You can connect it via Wi-Fi network and the USB cable connection, but I expect you to connect this printer via wireless network. Check my video how we connected it. So this is the USB cable, and the telephone line, the fast line goes right here. Okay, remember this printer is also, you can do a fast from here. If you have any paper jam, open up this section, check for any paper jam and debris and gently remove it. Okay, there's a spring here. Just need to make sure, hold the spring together, okay, and gently go inside and close it. Okay, so this is the automatic document feeder. This is automatic document feeder, and this is LCD screen. Select the function of what you want to do from this printer from right here. And also I'm going to show you from the front here, the paper tray. We loaded A4 paper is right here. So we loaded A4 paper. You can load various sizes of paper depending on particular paper you are using. We loaded A4 paper. Just make sure you open this up. Once you're done, open it up, the ink cartridges holder will come right in the middle for you to change it. It does this automatically. Okay, so it's using 545 black and 546 ink cartridges color. Okay, this is the overview of this printer. What I want us to do right now is basically scan a document. Okay, and for us to scan a document, I have a book here. I want us to show you how to do this. For you to scan a document, stick the document on top of the scanner, okay, and go back to your app. This printer right now, we connected it via Canon app. Okay, we connected it via Canon IJP setup. So right now, this is the Canon app. Okay, right now we just need to wait for this to be ready. And when you connect this printer to the app, you will see it will show you TR4650 series. And from this app, you can do a lot of stuff from here. From this app, you can print photo, document print, create photo item, smartphone copy, scan, and more. So right now what I want us to do is click scan, okay, to the document we have on the, this is the document we have here. Okay, so when you click scan, you go to the scan settings. So you can change the setting if you like, and also data format. Data format JPG is for photo, okay, and the document type. So you need to make sure you change JPG from PDF. Okay, JPEG is usually photo, so change it to PDF. Okay, document type is document. If it's photo, then you select photo, and color mode, select color. If it wants you to black, you select gray, you select black. Right now the color mode is colored. Okay, now document type is A4, so you can change to various sizes of document you want it to be printed out. So right now it's A4. Okay, now document size is also A4. Okay, then once you done the scan setting, then you go back. the next thing you need to do is click scan. Okay, once you click scan, it will start to process. Right now it start to processing. And as it's scanning, it's also scanning, showing you here we go, very quick and beautiful. So this is the document we scan right now. Okay, if you want to scan the second one, open it up, turn it upside down, okay, close it, and from the app click scan again. Okay, so it will be 2. So right now it's scanning the page 2. Now this is complete, so you can do this as many as you like. Okay, once you finish, click exit. Okay, right now scan result is saved, click OK. So right now this document we scan, this is the document we scan, okay, page 1 of 2. Now if you want to send this to somebody or print it out, you select print, share. Okay, once you select share button, okay, now I give you the option for you to send this to somebody via email. Select the email of the address of the person you want to send it. Okay, right now this document is attached in my inbox, so I'm going to send it back to myself. So what I'm doing right now is sending this back to myself. Okay, and once you're done, click send. It's asking us about subject, send anywhere without subject. So this document right now is sent to my inbox. Okay, and also we can come up from this app. Okay, can go back and go and look for this document. Okay, so right now what we're going to do is go to my inbox and look for the document we scan. Sometimes also you can also go to the file and check if you can see the document we save. So if you go to the file and check if you can see if the document is there. So you go to the document. To see if it's there. If you cannot see the document, then we'll go back to the inbox. Okay, so right now I'm going back to my inbox and check for this document. Here we go. The document is just landed inside my inbox. Click it open. So this is the document to scan. Click it open, PDF. Okay, so right now it's inside my inbox. You can see the first and second one. If you want to print it out, select print. Click print. Once you select on the document, select print. Okay, and now it's loading. Once it's loading, I want you to make sure we look for this printer. Okay, we need to go and look for, we need to make sure we find this printer. So select on it, select print, and once it's loaded, we need to look for Canon 4600 series. Here we go, it's now loading. Okay, so this is the printer. Okay, now the next thing you can do is select print. Here we go. This document right now is printing out. So it's getting ready to print out. This is the first one. Okay, the first document we print. The second one is coming. Okay, so our job is completed. So this is the document we scan and printed it out. Okay, so this is the document we scan and printed it out. Okay, thank you very much and stay blessed. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. Thank you.